Here in Davis County, we love our schools. Whether you're a kid or a grown-up, we've all had a favorite teacher, bus driver, custodian, or important person who worked at our school and helped us learn. Even my Nana remembers her teachers, and she's old enough to have a lot to remember. Did you know Davis School District has 92 schools, making it one of the largest school districts in Utah? With 72,000 students in our boundaries, our classrooms are getting pretty full. Some of our buildings, like my school, Bountiful Elementary, need updates or expansions to make them safer and give kids more room to learn. If I could help students in Davis County have better schools through a lemonade stand fundraiser, that would be awesome. But I would be as old as my Nana before I earned that much money. There's an easier way to raise money for schools. It's called a bond. And actually, what is a bond?
Good question, Nico. The state does not give school districts funding to build or upgrade schools, so bonds are a way districts and property owners work together to invest in constructing new schools and updating older ones. A bond works a lot like a home mortgage. The district sells bonds for building improvements and pays back a portion of the principal with interest every year until the bond is paid off. A bond is approved by voters in a bond referendum election. When a majority of voters support the bond, the district goes to market, gets the best interest rate, and uses the money to complete school improvement projects. Davis School District has had a great record with bonds. It has used bonds many times before, most recently in 2015 to complete 212 bond projects, including the opening of Farmington High School, Shoreline Junior High School, and Sunburst Elementary. The district has an excellent bond rating, and that saves taxpayers money.
I'm not getting any younger over here. What needs to happen for Davis School District to have a bond?
It's actually quite simple. First, voters need to approve a bond. On the November 8th, 2022 ballot, there will be a bond referendum for Davis County to vote on. The district is asking the community to allow it to bond for $475 million to invest in students like Nico and future generations. When approved, this bond money will be used to construct a new junior high and elementary, rebuild 2 existing schools, complete 7 major renovation projects, and address pressing needs throughout the district. And now is the perfect time to pass a bond. Because of the population growth in Davis County and increase in property value over recent years, the 2022 bond will have no tax rate increase for property owners. That's right. Passing the bond will not increase property tax rates in Davis County.
November 8th? Okay, Siri, can you remind me on November 8th to tell the grown-ups it's election day?
You're awesome, Nico. Everyone needs a reminder. For more details on the bond, including a complete list of projects and voting information, please visit our website at dsdbond.org. That's dsdbond.org.